Hello guys, welcome back. Rodich here again at Orbit Academy. Today guys, I'm going to be buying a new coin, SAFEMARS. So SAFEMARS is a new coin. This is a rather great coin. It's similar to SAFEMOON and Moon Token. So I'm going to be showing you the graph of today's graph of SAFEMARS and how it has increased. So guys, as you all know, in our videos we are not out to give financial advice. We just want to show you how we invest and buy these crypto assets and how we take the risk. So it's just like more of tutorials. So this is no financial advice. So before you get into buying any asset, make sure you're ready to take the risk. Make sure the money you're putting in, you're ready to lose it, and it's not going to affect your daily life. So do your research before getting into buying these assets, because yeah, we really get involved in high risks and fast return assets, so beware. Okay, so as you can see on Coingecko, we have SAFEMARS. You can see we have about over 362% increase just recently. So I'm going to be buying. I already bought a lot of SAFEMARS, so I'm just going to use a few bucks to show you how to get SAFEMARS. So as you can see here, SAFEMARS. You can, if you switch to the exchanges tab, we want to see where we can get SAFEMARS. Okay, SAFEMARS, come on. While that is loading, we can head over to we can get SAFEMARS via PancakeSwap. So we're going to be using PancakeSwap and the Trust Wallet. So we're going to be using PancakeSwap and the Trust Wallet to get our SAFEMARS. So let's quickly head over to SAFEMARS website. So you have SAFEMARS website quickly here. So you guys can see, okay, this is SAFEMARS. So you can see here, get save map. So for it's had 324% to change 24 hours. Yes, about 161,000 current holders. The market cap of over 145 million. So guys, just do your research. This is a website. You can find the link in Coingecko. I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video. Without further ado, we're going to head over to buying SAFEMARS in our Trust Wallet. So guys, as you can see my Trust Wallet here, I bought SafeMoon. I think there's a video where I bought SafeMoon. Description below. I'm going to be doing a new video. I'm going to buy more SafeMoon, and I also spoke about Husky Token. As you can see, it's the first asset here, Husky Token. I bought about $460 worth of Husky Token. Is now on the 17th of April. So it's now about $1,800 worth of Husky Token. So yeah guys, in this video we're going to be swapping a BNB to SAFEMARS. So the first thing you want to do is to swap your BNB to Smart Chain. So you can see I have about 56 bucks of BNB. I'm going to click on BNB, come here to more, swap to Smart Chain. So here we're going to do, no, come on, 100%. I don't think it's going to work. We're going to have to reduce it because of the fee. Wow, good. Okay, so let's come here. Let's see, we can do 1, 2. It is going to work. Let's see. Okay, wow, good. Okay, it goes, tries to swap. It's loading. Let's give it some time to load. Swap successfully completed. Okay guys, so guys, right now right now. It's not yet reflected. Let's see. BNB smart chain. All right, okay, so now I have 58 bucks worth of smart chain. So yeah, we are going to, for Android users, you're going to head over to the apps, but for iPhone users, you're going to have to enable the Trust browser to able to add to able to come to this page. So here, as you can see here, guys, on Coingecko, in order to get SAFEMARS, you're going to have to swap BNB to SAFEMARS. I shouldn't have left that page. Let's head over to the exchanges. So as you can see here on the exchanges, we'll be swapping US we'll be swapping BNB to SafeMars on PancakeSwap. So you head over here to your Trust wallet. Once you open your Trust wallet and your Trust wallet, the apps. So here we're going to search for PancakeSwap. Here's PancakeSwap. So here in PancakeSwap, if this is your first time using PancakeSwap, you're going to have to connect your Trust wallet. As you can see here, I'm already connected. That's why you can see 0x35 above here. So I'm already connected. That's why you can do that. So I want to convert all my I want to convert $20 worth of BNB. Let me quickly look that up. 20. I want to convert $30. Should I do $30? Let me see. Quick check up here. BNB to USD. So I have 58 bucks. I just want to do another video on buying SafeMoon, so I don't want to use up all the money. I just have the 58 bucks there for test. I just want to show you guys how the buying of the conversion, the swapping is being done. So let's see. I want to do $30 here. Convert 0.06. So here I want to have 0.06. This here I want to do SafeMars. All right, okay, it doesn't show up, so we're going to head over here to Coingecko. Coingecko, we're going to try to get the contract address of SafeMars. So I think somewhere here you can see here contract address. Copy this contract address, copy the contract address. You head over to PancakeSwap. If you can't get it, we're going to paste the contract address here. It should show many times. So SafeMars. All right, good. It popped up. So SafeMars, we're going to add it. So here, okay, good. I'm going to try to swap. So confirm swap. That's it, guys. Let's hope it goes through. Confirm transaction. So right now we're swapping our BNB to SafeMars. So have about $30 of SafeMars. The network fee is 0.66. So I'm going to approve the swap. So guys, this is a short video on how you can get SafeMars using PancakeSwap in your Trust wallet. So I'll advise you guys to do your research on SafeMars and any amount of money you're putting into SafeMars, guys. Make sure it's money you're willing to risk. This is no financial advice to everybody. For anybody, we're not giving financial advice here. We're just showing tutorials on how to buy these coins. But if you're willing to take high risks and expect high returns, these are very great coins to buy. All the coins we buy and on our channel, we show you tutorials on how to buy on our channel, high risks. Get into them, buy the coin. When your money triples, doubles, triples, quadruples, or whatever, you withdraw and you move on. Right? You can then invest in more stable coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so forth. So guys, this is how you buy SafeMars here. I'm going to close this. I'm going to head over to my Trust wallet, so you can see here. I'm going to refresh. I'm going to try to add SAFEMARS here so you can see my balance. SAFEMARS. I'm going to add the token. There's no SAFEMARS here yet. So paste the contract address. This should pop up. That should be this matching. Yeah, SAFEMARS. Alright. Done. SAFEMARS. So guys, I have about 29 bucks worth of SAFEMARS. So we're going to see how much it's going to increase over time. I'm going to be doing another video where I'll be buying more of SafeMoon. So guys, you can check that video out shortly. I'll be doing another video of buying more of SafeMoon. Alright, close this here. Okay, so that's it. Okay guys, thank you for watching. If you want to see more tutorials on how we buy these high risk and high return assets, please hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to get more videos, and subscribe to our channel. We love you. Bye.